What's up, guys? Welcome to the Timeframes channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So today we have done it again. Today's strategy will be looking at this bull market strategies and also the strategy you can use to trade the step index and the VIX indices. So this strategy right here is gonna be a quick strategy that you can be using to make money trading on the static indices. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And can we put in strategy, you guys will be aware. Also, guys, we do something with your file account management. No matter how small or big your account is, just contact us straight away for account management, and we'll be able to assist you how to manage your account. We make profits, and then we share the profit. So now we have our terms and conditions for account management. So just contact the number you are seeing on the screen for account management. So let's get started right here. So this strategy right here, you can see we have a trade on crash 500, and also we have a trade on the step indices. So we have a trade on the step index also, which you can see right here, and we also have a trade on the VIX 50 1S. So you can see this all the trade that we took right here using this strategy right here. So this strategy, we use strategy to take trade on the H1, but for the sake of those people that used to use strategy to scalp, so we'll be using the scalping method for the sake of the strategy right here. Now, how do you make use of the strategy? It's just a simple strategy right here. So you can see we have already zoomed out completely. We have already zoomed out completely. Now, this is how you are going to make use of the strategy right here. So the first thing you want to look out for is that you want to see that this line right here, you can see you can see this blue line right here. Now you can see we have something right here, which means that the price is going below the line. So once we see the price going below the line, and we also see this in the indicator window one, we also see this line, this blue line also crossing above the red line. When crossing above the red line, this indicates that the market is in sell direction, which means that anything we want to do in the market, we are expected to go for a sell. We don't buy. Anytime we see this type of setup, with the indicator, we are expected to go for a buy. We are expected to go for a sell. Now, same thing applicable for a buy position. Same thing applicable for a buying position. So anytime we see that, now let me use one as an example for you guys. So now right here, so anytime we see the price moving above the line, and we also see the blue line also moving, the red line moving above the blue line here in our indicator window one. This indicates that anything we want to do in the market, we are going for a buy. Anything we want to do in the market, we are going for a buy. Okay, now that is that on that. Same it is useful on the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and H1, also on the H4. So that's the time that you can use this strategy. Now, same thing applicable on the crash indices. Same thing applicable on strategy. The same way, the same method, the same way you use the strategy on the VIX. That same way that you are going to use it on the step and the boom and crash. Okay. So now on this piece, anytime we see this anytime we see it in the same, we see it crossing above the price, meaning that the price go below, we are supposed to go for a sell. We have to make sure that the permission for the main chart and then the indicator don't want need to go along with each other. And same thing applicable for a buy also. Okay, so as simple as this, I don't want the video to be long, so let me show you guys the settings for the strategy. And the first thing you want to do is just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. You go to this icon. When you get to that icon, then you want to search for your moving average. Click on the F plus and search for moving average. Then click on the moving average, and this is the parameters for the moving average. The period is 10, the shift is 0. The method is simple: apply to close, and the style you can use any color of your choice. So when you set it up like this, then you click on save. Now the next step we are going to be adding is going to be the stochastic oscillator. So what we need to do is click on the F plus and search for stochastic oscillator. When you click on it, then these are the parameters. The K period is 50, the D period is 1, swing period is 1 also, the price is close, method is exponential, and the style, and we are going to be using the same color as the main and the signal. Now for the levels, we need the 20 and the 80 levels. So when set it up like this, then you click on done and you are good to go. Now once you set the stochastic oscillator up, it's going to be listed in your indicator window 1. Now the next indicator, which is the last but not the least indicator we're going to be adding, is the moving average. So click on the F plus, set your moving average right there, and click on it. Now this is the parameters for the moving average. The period is 10, the shift is 0, the method is simple, apply to color and style, we need the blue color. So when set everything like this, then click on save, and this is how the chart is going to look like. Okay, make sure you use the strategy seen as and explain, and also you make sure that you back the strategy, figure out how you're going to make your trading system, and then make sure you use strategy to make money. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and if I will post strategy, you guys will go. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.